Hi everybody, this is Donna at Vince's Gourmet. Today I'm making Piadina, which is an Italian flatbread. It's pretty simple and has lots of different applications after you learn how to make it. So I'm going to use a food processor to start with. What I'm going to put in first, it's dirty because I made a batch. I am going to put in 3 cups of 00 flour first. And then, so you can do, again, you can do this by hand, but it's easier in the processor. And then the next thing I'm putting in is 3 teaspoons of fine sea salt. Into the flour mixture, I just spilled a little bit. I had a little too much anyways. I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of olive oil. In this recipe, you can use lard also, 6 tablespoons of lard. I didn't have any today, or else I would have used the lard. But it works out good with the olive oil. And I'm just going to drizzle that in. Okay. So the oil's in. Next thing you're going to add in is, I have a half a cup of water and I have a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. That's so funny. You're going to put the yogurt right in the water and you're going to stir it up. And you're going to add that in while the process is done. And you see the dough is starting to come together. You may need to add more water. We'll see. You don't want, you do not want a wet dough. So that's where I turn it over into a bowl. And I'm going to see what I need as far as water goes. And I think I need a drop. So what you're going to do is you're going to form a ball. When I finished kneading the dough, I divided it in 4 sections, roll it in a ball, and you're going to let it rest covered for 15-20 minutes. Okay, now I made some earlier. Then you're going to roll it out. I just put a little bit of flour on the tabletop counter. I have a 10-inch skillet with nothing in it. This happens to be Teflon. That I'm heating up. And I'm going to roll this out. All right, so, you know when your pan is hot, well, you can smell it, but I'm just putting a little water. These should be round. I'm not so concerned if they're, see, sizzles. Okay. I got a little hole in that, but that's okay. All right, so you're gonna drop it in, and I'm gonna kind of stretch it a little bit. And you're gonna take a fork, and you're just going to put fork marks all over it. You want to make sure that it cooks in the middle. So these are great to use, no yeast, which is hard to find nowadays. And it's about like I said, it's about 2 minutes on each side. I've got this to the highest it will go. You see, and I'll look at it in a second. You want it to be charred on the other side. Like that. And poking more holes in here. 2 minutes on this side. Now, if you were making, you know, they're more pliable when they're in the pan. So you can roll it up, make fillings. I'll show you what I did later in a minute. You could add, Sam's showing you already. You could add salt and pepper to season it, but I'm just gonna season it with at the end. So you can see where it's charred here. This needs another minute on the other side. And that's it. Now, I'm going to, you can make these and make sandwiches out of them. You can cut them, and if you have a panini press at home, press it in that after you fill it. I'm making a quick pizza. Very quick. I'm using some fresh mozzarella, some of Vince's homemade tomato sauce, marinara, whatever. And put on the topping whatever you want, and then just put this in your broiler. Say that over again.
Put on whatever topping.
You can add whatever toppings you like. You can make them vegetarian. I just showed you real quick what I did here. Here's a little Parmesan I had left over. I made a sandwich earlier, and then pop them in the oven. So this one, I made a sandwich, our Italiano. It's got mortadella and salami and cabagol and provolone cheese, These are great oils. This is a Tuscan herb oil that I'm just going to pour on top. Somebody will eat this for lunch. And like I said, you could press that or eat it just like that. And I made these little pizzas earlier. Another tomato sauce with little mini meatballs, and I think I have some hot sopasada on there. And this one is a truffle pesto sauce, which is great if you like truffles, and some fresh mozzarella, fresh tomatoes, and balsamic glaze that we have here at Vince's. So again, these are just quick little pizzas to make or sandwiches. And if you want the recipe for the Piadina, just email me at donna@vincesgourmet.com. If you want to be on our newsletter, email go to Vince's Gourmet. He's going to have to change this because I can't say it. Go to vincesgourmet.com and enter in your email for our weekly newsletter of specials. And everyone, thank you and have a great day.
Question for you. Why would someone want to make these?
Am I on?
Yeah. Versus buying them.
It's flour, it's easy, it's all natural, it's cheap, it's different, it's not processed, it's fun for the kids.